Take two. Can you hear me now? Bueller? You can hear me now? All righty. You win some, you lose some, folks. You know what I mean? You win some, you lose some. Good morning, everybody. Tap that screen. We got to make up 4 minutes. We got to wake up 4 minutes. Miranda Murphy. Thank you, Miranda. I appreciate you. Amika, hello over there on Instagram. All our YouTubers, good morning to you. Tenny Flows. Oscar, what's up, man? What's up, Chris? You all thought it was a TikTok thing. You all got nervous, didn't you? Amika, I'm there. Official Voss Trading. Good morning. Start tapping. Andrew Wester, JDM, Paul Miranda, Davion with all the gifts. Thank you so much. Good morning. My Kula, there he is. Where the hell have you been? Lino Medina, the new VIPer. Good morning. Steve, we will do Apple, don't you worry. Candy Strine with the confetti. It's a Confetti Friday, everybody. Confetti Friday. It's Friday already. Crazy, man. It is crazy. It was just Monday. What happened to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? Damn it. Good morning. Good morning. Tap, tap, tap. Share, share, share. We need those shares going. Davion with the sunglasses. We didn't go over anything yet, guys. We just got on. Good morning, KK. Chris. Yes, it is over there. Got a couple Chris's in the VIP. And we got a couple Linos now in the VIP. We got 2 Linos flowing. Lino 1 and Lino 2. Thank you, Official Voss Trading 1, for the follow. I appreciate you. Good morning. Good morning. We're already at almost 9,000 likes. We have to get to 100,000 taps today on YouTube and TikTok, okay? And on Instagram. So make sure you're tapping those screens. All right? We even got Twitch changing their algo now to make it better for streamers. A For You page. So we'll see how that goes throughout the couple of weeks. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes. Joshua Williams, good morning. Quentin Grabowski. My name is Voss. Welcome, everybody. Most of you have been with me a long time. And for those of you who are new, hang in there, hang tight, and we're going to teach you how to do this the right way. We're going to go over levels now on mostly everything that you guys want to go over. Our levels are right on the money, so make sure you mark them down. Miss Market right now, coming off that 8 to the upside. Got a pivot right up here at 609. Mark it down. 609. Let's now go to our execution platforms. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our whip zone levels in. For the first 15 minutes of the market, we do not trade between these white lines. After 15 minutes, you can take those white lines off. They will become irrelevant. But at the open, if you want to be able to trade in the first 15 minutes, these lines are crucial. SPY, narrow, position 1. Let's go. Looks good on the 5. 15. You're good. On the 1 hour, we know we pull this back. We have room up to 608 first stop, 608.50, and then 609 to the upside here, okay, on the SPY. To the downside, under 601.81, you have room down to 601 whole number, okay? You got a pivot here, and then you have a pivot there. So watch those to the downside. To the upside, just watch those pivots over there to your left on SPY. Let's go over to AMD. AMD, you're narrow. You are in position 2, the start of 2 to the upside. You look good. Only problem is on the 15-minute, we got Granddaddy right there. As you saw on the VIP training last night, how many times did we reject off that Granddaddy? A lot, almost 80, 90%, man. So you cannot trade into that 15-minute. Yesterday, I took a short on AMD right off the 15-minute 200. I executed it. Let me pull it back. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Took that short right there to the downside off the 15-minute 200. You also on the daily had the 8 and the 20 right in your way. You weren't going anywhere. And back down, AMD went to the downside. Then it comes back to the 200 here and gets rejected off of there. Then it comes back over here. Look, AMD tries it again, gets rejected back to the upside. It is the granddaddy of them all for a reason. We do not trade into it. We do not short or go long into it. So you have a problem here at 119.68 with the AMD. Look, uno, dos, no worky, no likey. What else are we looking at, my traders? Gills with the rose. Thank you, my Gills. Thank you for all the likes. Keep tapping. Tesla. Right now here on Tesla, you're in a neutral state. You are in the whip zone here at $400.08. We got to get back over 407.52 or under 398.97. You both have two good levels there. On the 5-minute, under 398.97. There he blows at 395. There's Mr. D. Remember Mr. D? You guys remember Different Strokes? The granddaddy. 395 right there, a short. Boom, you got room right to there. To the upside, you look good. 15-minute, you look good. Hourly, first stop over 407.52. You have room up to 409, and then you have room up to 413, and then 417 where Granddaddy is. Mark those levels down, okay? How we doing? This is the end of the week. Are we going to be green or are we going to be red? Put it in the chat right now. All the chats. What's up, Scott Jones? Are we going to be green or red by the end of today? Put it in the chat. Are we having a good week? Green. Red. That's not good. Green, green, green. Look at our VIPers. Yes, Quentin, that a boy. That's what I like. Yes, it is. We want green. In order to do this full time, you got to be consistently profitable green every month. Every month. You're going to have red days in there, but those red days have to be small. So at the end of the month, you're green. And that's where a lot of you have your problem. Microsoft. Microsoft to the moon. Just kidding. Powderhound ski slope here on Microsoft. Narrow state. Position 2 on the 5-minute. Pull that back. You have room. 1 hour. Well, boy, you're banging in currently into the 8. See it? 418.54. And then your next pivot here on Microsoft is 423.50. Mark it down. Let's go to the 15. Yep, okay. So hourly under the whip zone of 414. You have room down to 411. 411. Once you get above this 8 on the hourly, you have room up to 424. Okay? First stop is 423, then 424. You have these two pivots right there. Whoop! Watch them on the hourly. Good morning, my Kate. Apple. Good morning, my Kate. How'd you guys like that VIP training last night when we replayed the market and paused it and broke it all down for you? Did you like that? Apple, we are in a narrow state. Yes, it is. But where are we here? Where are we on Apple? 247.73. We're way up there. Yeah, Apple. Go, baby. Go. Position 3. Narrow state. You can get another leg up. It's Friday. Watch the gap and a nap. All right. On Apple. We pull this back. A little dicey up here now. Your next stop on this will be right around 249. 249 on Apple. Let's go to our daily. Yep, 249 and then 251. Watch 250 on Apple. 249 and 250. But then you can look for a pullback on this. You're in position 3. Watch the gap and nap. I'm Rand Mimex and Kate with the heartbeat and the finger heart. Yeah. Let's go, Meta. Great trading. Thank you. We bring the heat, baby. We bring the heat. In Voss Trading, baby. We bring the heat. We have no time to not show you the goods every day. Life is short. You got to learn this. Narrow state on Meta. Above 693.22 up. Under 684.41 down. Market on the 5-minute under the whip zone of 684.41. You got the granddaddy right there at 601.58. Major support to the upside on the 5. You look good. 15-minute, you look good, Meta. Meta, above 693.22. You have room up to 704. Mark it down. SoFi. Yep, if you trade the news, earnings, and you try to GAMBLE, you're going to lose, and you're going to lose bad. We wait for the news to settle down, then we go back and trade our A-plus setups. See, the problem with most traders and novice and amateur traders, you all are looking for the moon. You're looking for that big money maker, okay? You might as well go and focus on the Super Bowl then, okay? Because you're not going to win. Sorry. Real traders wait for the news to settle down, and then they go back to trading their A-plus setups. You want the market to not be going all nuts on you. You are trading your high probability setups. Do you understand that? You want to be a consistent, profitable trader. You don't want to say, okay, I'm waiting for the news to come out. Oh, 302, here it comes. Let me get in. Let me get my buy button. Here we go. How's that working out for you? SoFi, narrow. We are in position 1 on the 5 and the 15. You look good. Hourly, you have room up to a 1667. Market 1667 on SoFi. To the downside on SoFi, let's see what we got. You got room down to $16.10. Yes, it is. Wish me luck, guys. I'm in Apple swings. Shabazz, if you have to pray for your trade, you don't know what you're doing. Quentin Krabowski, a reef frog. Guys, listen, if you enter a trade and you're like, please work, please, I swear to God, please work. I'll do anything today if it works. I will be so nice to everybody. You have no idea what you're doing. And you know that. That's why you're praying. You're praying to the high heavens, guys. You got to learn. You got to learn how to do this. It takes time, a lot of time. Okay? We got 1,456 members in our education platform. 1,456. I just threw out 82 of them because they're not doing anything. And that left us with 1,456. All right? Let's go. AVGO. Put it in the whip zone. Right now, we're in a narrow state on AVGO. We're in position 2 to the upside. On the 5-minute, you look good. Down for a short, you got room to 210.37. That is where you're going to find the 5-minute granddaddy of them all. On the 15-minute, you have room up to your first pivot right here. 222, okay? 222, first move up. Next move, above 222, 224.35. This will become a major supply area for shorters right up in this area on AVGO. Remember, you're neutral. You're in position 2. Once you get up into this supply zone, You're going to be coming back probably. This is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. You must trade at your own risk. IWM. A little penny action. Let's see what we got here. IWM, you're narrow. You are in the whip zone, currently at 229.12. A lot of our best plays come out of those whip zone levels, okay? 230.05 to the upside. 227 to the downside. 5 looks good. 15 looks good. You're right in the wheelhouse, VIP. Do you see it? You are right in the wheelhouse on the 15-minute. Hourly to the downside. You got room down to those pivots and the granddaddy of them all. 224 hold number. Major support level. To the upside. On the hourly, you look good. You got room up to 231 right in this area. Putting IWM on watch at the open for a possible long. Next. Nvidia. Nvidia, I thought it was going down to shitter. It was going down to zero. It's going down to zero, everybody. Remember the market crash of 2024 that never happened? You are in a neutral state right now on Nvidia. 125 to the upside. Be careful. Watch your state. You are in that neutral state. 120.75 to the downside on Nvidia. On the 5-minute, you look good. 15, you look good. Where's our granddaddy? Where's that little pesky guy? There he is. On the hourly right now, Nvidia above 125, you have room up to 128.50. Under the whip zone, 120.75, you have room down to 118. Hold number, major support level. First stop on Nvidia, wham! First stop on Nvidia to the downside, wham! Mark them. We got over 500 people in here. Let's go. Let's go, my babies. My baby traders. MU. All right. Here we go. Neutral state. You're in position 1 to the downside here on MU. On the 5-minute, watch these pivots to your left, okay? On the 5. You try to go short. Watch those pivots. Do you guys see them? 91.50 and $91 hold number to the downside. To the upside so far, you look good. Currently on MU, you got room up to $98 above 93.16. On the 1 hour, first stop will be now on the 1 hour, 96.24. That's where granddaddy is. Your first stop is the hourly 200. Mark it down. Keep tapping. If you're not tapping, you're napping. If you're not talking in the chat, you're stalking. Let's go. Boeing. Boeing, you are in a neutral state. You are in the whip zone. You got to get over 180 up. 177.39 down. Watch that hold number at 176 right here to the downside, okay? That is major support level. On the 5-minute, we got granddaddy of them all at 176.53, okay? So before you hit 176, you got the granddaddy in your way to the downside here on Boeing. To the upside, above 180, you look good. 15, you look good. Hourly, 180, you have room up to 182.50. Mark it. Hello, everybody. Let's go. Starbucks, TikTok, Candy Shrine with the goat, Kate with the heart bay, Imran with the finger heart. Thank you. Starbucks. How we doing, YouTube? Baba coming up. Ja Ahi. What's the problem with you, Ja? What's wrong with Ja? Starbucks. Starbucks right now, neutral in that whip zone area, 108.79. 109.31 up, flat 200. Market 108.35 down. Watch that 108 hold number to the downside. On the 5-minute, you look good. 106.54. On the 15, you're good. hourly. Here we go. To the upside, 109.31. You got room up to 110. 110 on Starbucks. Remember, you are in that neutral state. Starbucks looks like a little whip action today. Next, coin. Everyone who trades coin, be careful. Watch that spread. Watch that level 2. Currently on coin, we're in a narrow state. We're at 302.56, 303.63 to the upside, 296.50 to the downside. Downside means short, everybody. 296.50 to the downside. Watch that 290.28 granddaddy. You have room right in this area down to that support level. On the 15-minute, watch your pivots right here above 303.63. Boom. Across the board pivots. All right? And then 291.66, confirmation on the 15 with granddaddy to the downside. You have major support to the downside here, so watch those shorts. On the hourly, above 303.63, you got your first stop at 306. 306, your next stop is 310.50. Mark it. JPM. We're flying through these, my babies. We are flying through these. Narrow state. Oh, narrow state alert on JPM. You're in the whip zone currently. You got to get above 269. 269 to the upside to be in position 1. Okay, right now you're in the whip zone. 269 up. 266.87 down on JPM. You look good on the 5. Woof. 15, yes it is on the 15. Right now, wheelhouse to the upside. Watch it down here to the downside. 265.26. You got the granddaddy of them all. You got major resistance support level there. On the hourly, above 269. Your first stop will be 270. Watch that. Major hold number. And then 271 on JPM. Let's tap. We are at 53,000 likes already. We're going to 100 today, baby. Confetti Friday. Let's go. Keep tapping, Google. Also, Instagram is going to start opening up their algorithm, so be prepared for that. We're also changing the structure of our videos that we are posting every day. We are in a neutral state. We are at 204 to the upside. You are in position 2 currently. On the 5-minute, you look good. 15 looks good. 1 hour, you're above this pivot right here, which is good. Roll this baby. We got to go. Yes, Google. Yes, Google. Go, baby. 204.10. Watch hold numbers to the upside on this. You are in, listen to me, you are in position 2. You're at 204.10. Next stop is 205. Then you will be in position 3 in a neutral state. So watch those levels up. Tesla. Be careful trading Tesla. It's the most volatile stock in the market. Please, all newbies like to go in there because they think they're going to get rich quick. And that is what you have to be afraid of. Here we go. Tesla. You are in the whip zone on Tesla currently. Neutral state. Under 398.97 down. Above 407.52 up here on Tesla. On the 5-minute. Be careful. Granddaddy right there. 395 hold number. To the upside, you're clear. 15-minute, you got room above 407.52 up to 409 and then up to 412.50. Market on Tesla. The VIP is open, everybody. If you want to learn how to trade properly and you want me to train you 2 nights a week, every Tuesday and Thursday night at 7:15 p.m. Eastern Time, and you want access to our education courses in our VIP, and access to all our live trainings by me, and access to VIP Trades channel, where every day you will upload your trades to me. I will review them. I will then tell you what you did right or what you did wrong. Also, VIPers, journals are due tomorrow. I want cumulative journal from the first day you started up until now. Not just the month. I just want one journal, your overall journal uploaded to me, okay? For that. To get into VIP and get all of this for $25 a month or $275 for the year, you are going to head over to thevosstrading.com right there. That's a terrible arrow. Where we will help you. We will make you a better trader. There is no doubt about it if you come in with discipline and patience and are really ready to work. Okay? You got to be ready to work, guys, or I'm going to throw you out of there. We are, this is a serious thing. These are people's livelihoods. We don't screw around in there, okay? JDM with the cheering crab, the first out of 3. Yes, it is. Thank you for the follow, Gamla. The Spy, Miss Market. Let's see what we got on the old Miss Market Rooney here. Right now, you're neutral. You're in position 1 here on Miss Market. You look good. On the 5, you look good. 15, you look good. Hourly gets a little dicey here. Next stop, 608 hold number. 608 hold number, and then up to 609 on the Spy. Let's go, my babies. Jared, I don't think he's really in there. I think he's just spamming. KK, the Qs. Let's do the Qs. Let me see. Unless he's Smiling Jay. Welcome to the VIP, Smiling Jay. We will get you all tagged up once we get off of here. Yes. Julian, I don't think he's Ahia. Oh, Baba, please, Papa. Jorge Valdivia. Yeah, love that name. Baba. No, we got to do the Qs first. Hold on, Jorge. I got you coming around the corner, Baba. You guys crack me up. Narrow state here on the Qs, position 2 to the upside. On the 15-minute, you look delicious. On the hourly, you got room right here. See it? Whoop. See those pivots right there? 528 on the Qs to the upside. Baba, the Baba-Rooney, the Baba-Rooski, the Bob-Man. Let's see what we got here. Oh, lordy. 101.77. All right, right now you're in the whip zone on Baba. You're in a neutral state. Under 101.42 down. Above 103.24 up on Baba. Watch these pivots right here. 103.68 on the hourly. You got them staring at you right here. 103.68 to the downside. Watch that 8 on the hourly. 101.31, and then you have room down to $100 whole number. Boom, market. The Baba Rooney. Tiny Diny, Davion, thank you for the Tiny Diny, yes. As soon as you guys send those GIFTs, those viewers go whoop right up. Watch, next time someone sends one, whoop, watch those viewers. SoFi, I love you guys. Let's go, my babies. We are in a narrow state here on SoFi. You are in starting position 2, okay? You are starting position 2. On the 15-minute, you got room right up to this pivot here. 1667 on SoFi. Andrew with the rose. Yes, it is. How we doing, YouTube? Bye-bye, Ja. Thank you, Mr. Dave. Thank you. I appreciate you, Mr. Dave. Knocking them trolls out one by one over there. What else are we looking at? Susan Hansen. What's up, Susan? XOM earnings this morning. XOM earnings.
We don't go chase now. We don't go chase it like little rabbits. Let's go chase it.
We're in a narrow state on XOM. You are in position 2. To the downside here, you got the granddaddy on the 5 at 108.70. 15, you look good. Hourly, you got, let's mark these pivots out. XOM, next stop, 110.58, and then 111 to the upside. You got pivots. 111.
But Voss has got earnings.
End. 111, and then watch 112. Those are your next 2 levels on this.
But it's got earnings.
You know, when something has earnings at the open, I won't trade it. Did you know that, everybody? Because you don't know what the hell it's going to do. It can rip up and then rip right back down. You want consistent profitability. You want nice volatility, okay? But you don't want it where it screws up your entire chart and your price action. So you go on and trade something else. That's the main thing we have to drill into everyone's head. Everyone is chasing, looking for the Hail Mary pass. You're looking for the home run. Folks, you may get 1 home run, but you're going to strike out a hell of a lot more on doing that. Base hits, base hit over a month. It'll be more than your 1 home run trade that you're going to wind up losing anyway. All right? You got to learn how to trade. This is a skill. This is a business. This is not, the Borgata, okay? Everyone got that? It's not Harrah's. Apple, let's take a look. What's up, Zach Daddy? Yeah. Currently, Apple, you are way up there in position 3. Okay? Way up there in position 3.
I don't know why anyone trying to go long up there.
And no. We don't go long up here. We're coming into a bunch of pivots on the hourly. No. We'll get to everybody. Don't worry. We're going to help everybody. They're going to see the light. PayPal.
Does everyone have their scanner set up? Let me set my scanner up so I can chase trades around the chart.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm in a giggly mood today.
My scanner, my trade ideas are set up.
All right, here we go.
My friend.
We are in a narrow state on PayPal. We are in the whip zone currently. 90.21 up. 88.87 down. Look, the scanner goes off. The amateur goes like this. Oh. Let me flip to the chart. Oh. Let me get in. The scanner went off. 88.87 down. And then they lose. They keep doing it, though, thinking it's going to change. On the 15, you look good. 5, you look good. On the hourly here on PayPal, you got room to the upside to $91. To the downside, $88 right there. Can't be more. Whoop. Clear, okay? Right there. Can you help me set up my MACD? You guys want to hear the MACD? Yo, the MACD's in the house. Come chill with the bro. That's my MACD. Thank you for the follow, Leon Sarah, FinPit. Balloons. Thank you for the likes, user MJ. MJGQAGT0DK. Thank you for those likes. I appreciate you. Zoe with the follow. Is there a tutorial for Weeble? Yes. Throw it in the garbage. Meta. Weeble. Powder with the Galaxy. Thank you, Powder. Trade on Weeble. Are you crazy? Weeble. I wouldn't use it because of the name. Weeble. All right, here we go. We are in a narrow state, but it's free.
It's free. I have the free mindset.
693.22 up, 684.41 down on Meta. On Meta to the downside, watch the granddaddy right there at 601.58. On the 5, you look good. On the 15-minute, you look good. Hourly. All right, on the hourly to the downside, 680.81, right? You got your 20 there on the hourly. And 681.58, you have the 200 on the 5. See, that's your first resistance is the 5 200, and then the hourly 20, okay? Excuse me. To the upside, above 693.22, you got room up to 704 on Meta market. This is not financial investment or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. Let's go, my traders! Instagram, hello! Hello, Instagram. How we doing? Goo-goos gagas. There's my Twitch one user. How are you, my friend? You don't say anything to anybody. But that's okay. You don't have to. What's next? SoundHound.
It's an AI, sound AI.
Oh, man, you guys are funny. Oh, Jesus. We are in a narrow state on SoundHound. Voss, you're so damn consistent. Yeah, because I trade the same 5 to 8 stocks every day. I don't chase any. Going to the moon. We're going to the shitter. We are in position 2 to the upside. I used to do that. We're in a narrow state. I was all there once. Don't worry. 15-minute next pivot, 1435 market, SoundHound. Let's clean it up on the hourly. 14.30.35 area right here, major resistance on a SoundHound, okay? To the downside, you got room down to 13.50. I mean, there's no average true range in this thing. Look at this thing. You're fighting for pennies here.
Let me get some pennies.
The GOAT! Thank you, mostly. That's Kate with the GOAT. Thank you, Kate. Everyone, let me see some goats. You're with the GOAT right now. Let's go. Get fired up, baby. Get fired up. Let's go. You're alive. QRVO, you're breathing. QRVO for the win. Let's see what we got. We are in a narrow state. We are in position 1 to the upside on QRVO. Right now, you look good. You got room on this up to 85.50. 85.50, where the granddaddy of them all is waiting for you right there. All right? On the 15-minute, you're good. Just watch that 5-minute 200. I'm telling you. 85.41 on the hourly, your 20s anyway. So 85.41 and 85.50, same thing. Major resistance on QRVO at 85.50 market. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes. Come on, yesterday. How many of you, come on, be honest with me now. Come on, we do this every morning. Hold on, let me pull this back. How many of you on this candle thought you were going to the moon on AMD yesterday, huh? Huh? How many of you got nailed on that sucker? Vossi got you coming back. Yes, it is. Because of the 15-minute 200 and the daily 20 and 8. All right? Look at that. Woo! Yes! Everyone's like, what happened? Why did AMD was going to the moon? What happened, boss? Did you check your 5, 15, 1 hour and daily chart? No. What are they? What are they? There's a 15 1 hour and daily time frame? Cody with the cookie, Candy with the goat. The goat, baby, yeah. Thank you, Susan Hansen. How you doing, Susan? You're new with us. Everything going good? You're new in our VIP. Susan, should they get into the VIP? Right here, folks, real quick, thevosstrading.com. This link is in all my bios. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch. What else are we on? Favorited, Bueller, Bobby, Kueller. Anywhere you see me, or just go to thevosstrading.com. You just type it in, folks. Everyone says to me, how do I get the VIP? What do you mean how do you get the VIP? We tell you 1,000 times. It's all over the place, the VIP. Everywhere you go on your social media page when you wake up in the morning, don't you see this face? Huh? You see this face a lot, don't you? No matter what platform you're on. Josephino with the rose. And then we didn't even turned on our Instagram marketing with our company yet. And they keep messaging me every day. I don't want to get that big. I like right where we're at. PLTR. Because then I can really dive in and help you guys. What was that popped up? Oh, it was just me changing the chart. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Right now, we are in a neutral state. We are in the whip zone on PLTR. Yes, 81.81 up. Watch 82. You don't want to go long into that whole number. So 82 up, 80.64 down on a PLTR. Let's go to the 5. 5 minutes to the downside. There he is, 79.88. Market. 15-minute. You're good. Hourly to the upside, you have room up to $82. $82 to the upside. To the downside, watch the old pesky grumpy man. Where is he? There he is. 79.88 on the 5-minute chart. Let's go. What's next? Muna with the follow. Muna. Yeah. We are at 67,000 taps. We are 35,000 taps away from 100,000. Let's do a tap blitz. YouTube, here we go. Everyone, just start tapping your phones. Just start tapping. Let's go. We'll burn calories together. Tappity tap, tap, tap. Let's go. Tap it. That's all I ask you guys to do is just tap and share. Tap and share. Tap and share. SMCI. Right now, we are in the whip zone on SMCI. We are in a neutral state. $29 to the upside you got to get over. To the upside. $28 to the downside. You don't want to go short into whole numbers, okay? 5 minute, you look good. 28. See, if you get under 28, you'll be under the granddaddy as well, okay? To the upside, you look good. 15 minute, above 29, you look good. Hourly, you have room. Let me move this back out. On the hourly, you will have room up to $29.68, above $29 market. Nabo Wassam. Do I trade options? No. What I teach you works for anything that you trade. Options, equities, Forex, futures, the C word. It's price action. Everyone thinks just because you're trading C, you know, the CRYPTO, oh my God, it's so different. It's so different. Oh my God. And then they go through my training and they go, it's the same thing. Oh, who's having sales today? Come on. What education platform? They're always on sale. They're always on sale. This sale, that sale, this sale, 20% off, 90% off, 100% off, 50% off, 40% off, 30, 20, 10, 5, 6, 8, 2, 1, 7. Holy shnikes. Why don't you just start with the price? You don't have to do a sale. And stop robbing people. Nvidia. I love when I flip through TikTok and I see one of these people. Today's 20% off if you type in the word trade. Oh, next. They don't have a clue. We are in a neutral state. 125 up, 120.75 down. 5 minute, you're good. 15, you're good. Hourly. Here we go. Above 125 up. You have room up to a 128.50. 128.50, 129 area right here. See it? Let me mark it out for you. Right there. To the downside, right to these pivots right here. 118. See it? Under the whip zone, 118. Above the whip zone, right to 128.50. You can't get any more levels better than that, folks. Josephina with the hat and the mustache. Thank you, Josephina. How many people got scammed by those people? With the 20% off, 1,000 up front, 20% off the monthly, 20% off the yearly. And then they have like diamond packages and premium package. They got more packages than the friggin' grocery store. You're like, what are they doing? What is happening here? Right? You can't even figure out what you're signing up for. And they're going to teach you how to trade? And then they all wind up coming to me. Were you in that group? Yeah, Voss, they got me. They got me. Oh, guys. We are in a narrow state. We are in the whip zone here on Walmart. Above 99 up. 99 up. Under 98 down. 98 down. Under 98. Make it 97, 98. All right, because you got your 200 here to the downside on Walmart. To the upside, you look good. 15 looks good. Hourly, you look good. And daily, you look good. Be careful on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles to the upside. You need a pullback here on Walmart. Walmart. Don't be surprised if we go that way. This is not financial, investment, or tax advice. This is for education purposes only. You must trade at your own risk. Does everybody understand that? Diego, Tino Ralios. We got a little Microsoft for you. Position 1, you're starting position 2 to the upside. The problem what you have on Microsoft is you got this powder hound ski slope right here. See that? This has to start flattening out or you're going to get some chop at the open, right? You get this candle to the upside and then 2 seconds later, whoop, it looks like that. And you're now down here saying, what the hell did I just do? Why don't I just listen to Voss? Position 2 to the upside, powder hound ski slope. 15 minute. You have room up to that pivot. 422. Okay. 422. On the hourly, though, your saving grace is this 8 is in the way. See it? You're banging. You don't want to go right into that 8. So I leave Microsoft alone to the upside right now. I leave it alone. And I suggest you all leave it alone, too. You know what I'm saying? Quentin Grabowski. You ever see The Big Lebowski, Quentin? You ever see that movie, The Big Lebowski? We are in a neutral state. 180 up, 177 down. You want to get under that whole number, okay? The Grabowski see the Lebowski. That was a good movie. The dude, man. You got to know the dude. Under 177, you have room down to 176.53. To the upside, you're clear. Let's go to our 15. You look good. Yeah, to the downside, guys, you have granddaddies all over the place, so be careful with that. To the upside, you're clear. You have room up to 182.50 on Boeing to the upside. Watch this neutral state. Thank you for the follow, OTR and TP 407. We got the PGA Pebble Beach again today. Anyone watching that? That's Scheffler or something, man. Him hitting those irons, I mean, he is unbelievable. If he could just get that putting in checked, oh, he would be unstoppable, that guy. If he can get that putting going, oh, it's lights out, man. So he has today, Saturday, and Sunday to get that putter going, and then no one else stands a chance. Google. Right now on Google, you are in that neutral state in position 2 to the upside. Let's go to the hourly. Yeah, Google, you look good. You're in a neutral state, so you're going to have hard rejections off whole numbers, okay? So you're at 204.13. You get up to 205, you're coming back on this. You're neutral, okay? Enong with the follow. Let's go, Enong. Yes, it is. Cody Komaz. IWM. IWM, you are in the whip zone. Narrow, 230 up, 227 down. 5 minute, you look good. 15 minute, you look delicious coming out of that whip zone. On the hourly, you have room up to a 231, as we discussed. To the downside, you have room down to 224. Right there, under 227. What did we have on watch again? I forgot. Was it this one? Yeah, IWM was on watch. AMD not, because our 200 on the hourly is right there at 121.52, but I believe on the 15, we're hovering around it also. Okay? What state are we in? Oh, we're narrow on this. On the 15, if we open above that 200 on the 15, look, guys, and we get a bottoming tail up, I will probably try to take that up to that hourly 200, 121.52. I'm going to put AMD on watch since currently we are above the 15-minute 200. If we get back below it, I may take it down again like I did yesterday. So mark that down on AMD. Josephina, Cody, Candy Kate, JL Haba, the Powder Hound, Lino, Andrew, Davion, Chef Joseph, Salam, Kate, Imran, Mark Mesa, Gills. And we got for Paul Miranda, the first gifter of the day. Drew the drum roll, Bill. Davion to the moon. Thank you, Davion. I appreciate you. Folks, remember, it's Friday. Options Friday, okay? So you want to go small on your contracts and on your shares. You're just getting icing on the cake today. It's the end of the week. Monday will be here before you know it. If you want to learn how to do this the right way, come join us in the VIP because you'll have all weekend to study our courses. Think about that. And Monday, you're going to look at those charts and say, holy shit, it does everything he says it's going to do. VIP is open. Link is in the bio, thevosstrading.com. I love you all. We will be back on tomorrow. Yes, we will be doing some education tomorrow for you on here. We will also be going over today's price action and showing you why things did the way they did. Have a great day, everybody. Have a fabulous weekend. And remember, don't lose everything you gained so far this week. I love you all. Have a great time, everybody. Have a fun weekend.